News coming in. Here's a video of Pak's cowardice. Rattle Pakistan is targeting civilians.
CCTV footage is exposing Pakistan's reality. Mortar shells falls in a residential area. That's the latest update that we are getting for our viewers. And look at these CCTV visuals that our viewers exposing Pakistan's reality to the entire world.
Absolutely. So while India is hitting the terror dens in Pakistan, Pakistan is resorting to these cowardly, cheap tactics of targeting our civilians. And in fact, ever since Operation Sindoor Phase 1 Hina, Pakistan has constantly been raining bullets in the border areas, and one of that caught on CCTV.
Well, that's right. We have my colleague Yawar joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Yawar, what more details can you share with us? We're getting visuals of mortar shells, being sent, being thrown at residential areas specifically. We have the CCTV footage.
Well, exactly. There's a multiple CCTV footage that we have accessed showing that how these mortar shells are landing in a residential area, causing damage to the property and the civilian lives as well. In a fresh, it's from the Poonch, which has witnessed the inflict of the casualty, heavy casualty rather, over the past 72 hours. 15 alone civilians have lost their lives, among them 5 kids alone in the Poonch. And this is the scene. One can have hardly imagined through their televisions that if they can heard a loud bang through the CCTV, how could have it eventually triggers when it has fallen in a lawn of people, in a lawn of a family, and causing damage to their lives as well as their property. So this is a one thing that has been put in place. Now imagine that what will be the cause to the other places, be it in the Rajouri, in the Poonch, in the Akhnur, but in the LC, that's in the Kupwara, so is in the Uri, which has eventually caused the concerns all across and has witnessed the massive damage to the civilian property. Since yesterday we have also been covering from the line of ground the last villages of the Uri. We saw that how the properties have got damaged due to this, due to these shellings. And in a fresh Poonch video, Poonch CCTV has clarified that how these shells are landing in a public place, in a residential area, causing damage to the lives as well as to the property.
Fresh provocation by the Pakistani side, targeting our civilians. Let's once again play out that CCTV footage.
Let's now go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi, who's also live with us right now. Priyank, from mortar shells to snipers, rattled Pakistan is now resorting to targeting innocent civilians.
Yes, Sati, that's why there has been a series of, deployment which has been done. Let me tell you, right across this mountain is Pakistan, and we are reporting from the Uri sector. And there you can see the civil defense volunteers have also reached here, knowing the fact that the evacuation need to be carried out. Look at the visuals which we have got it for our viewers earlier, where we have clearly shown that the snipers have been used by the Pakistanis who are on the other side of the mountain. Taking advantage of that, they have been firing on innocent civilians. That is why this particular vehicle has been placed here. Let me tell you, Hina, this is a bulletproof ambulance where the windshield of the ambulance is also bulletproof. The body is of heavy metal, and it has been brought here in Uri sector because the Pakistanis will once again attempt to target innocent civilians. Right outside the police station, these vehicles are in place, and not even that, more than a dozen of people have been injured. What we have also shown that one lady was shot dead while she was moving to a safer location. Yogesh, if you can just come in this side, we will show you that ambulances have been placed. There have been dozens and dozens of ambulances which have been brought here, knowing the fact that most of the people have been evacuated, Hina and Swati. But it it is a very serious thing that Pakistanis will once again attempt to target on innocent civilians. Vehicles have been brought here. People are being evacuated from this Uri town. Civil defense volunteers have also been brought in. Many of the ambulances are also here, because looking at what has been seen by us yesterday and what has been established also on Times of camera, that the sniper shot bullets were recovered near a vehicle. Our colleague's vehicle was there. Then later on, when we had reached to the Baramulla hospital, we saw that the roof of the SUV, the black color Scorpio, was also pierced by one of the sniper bullet. It was not because of the mortar shell. More movement of these ambulances is happening here. All those people who are injured have been shifted to a safer location, to Baramulla, knowing the fact that Pakistanis can once again attempt to target on these hospital also. The roof of the hospital has been colored with Red Cross colors like white and black. But at this moment, fearing that in the evening, Pakistanis can once again attempt to target innocent civilians. You can see the kind of movement which is happening right behind me. This is very important that the civil defense volunteers will keep a watch on the movement. They will also assist the local police because this is an area which is of a very high altitude. Just a short while back, a minute back, we showed you this particular mountain, and now you can see that the weather is changing. The mountain is now totally covered with cloud, and that is very worrying for people, that all those individuals, all those residents who have been staying on the upper side of the mountain, how will they be rescued? That's why ambulances, bulletproof ambulances, civil defense volunteers, local police, CAPF, Army is already here, so that these individuals,
right, so
if
while
at all
we
they
are,
are
of course, thwarting the misadventures of Pakistan, the priority also is to ensure that the people living in these areas where the constant shelling is happening are evacuated on time. We also